Hi, my name is Mitch Irwin, and in addition to being an associate professor at Northern Illinois University, I'm also one of the three co-founders of the Malagasy NGO Sadabe. And here we are right now in and amongst the forests of Tsinjoarivo, part of the new protected area, Tsinjoarivo-Ambalaomby. In the past, I've run projects here investigating the lemurs, their ecology, and their responses to forest fragmentation. So far, I've initiated projects on the diadem chipaka and the brown lemur. We are hosting several students that are studying the diadem chipaka, a bamboo lemur, and even things like water quality. We try our best to keep cycling in new research projects at the same time as initiating the protected area creation and doing things to help the local people living here live more in harmony with nature. And we'll continue doing research into the lemur ecology and the needs of the people here. We hope we'll have a healthy and sustainable protected area.
My name is Karen Samonds. I'm one of the co-founders of Sadabe, an NGO that's dedicated to doing work largely here at Tsinjoarivo Forest. Part of the reason that we created Sadabe was because working here we realized that any long-term solution really needed to include the needs of both the people and the wildlife here. So I've been conducting research with collaborators on lemurs, a number of different groups of lemurs, but also participated in research that includes research on plants, even surveys on chameleons. And one of the things that is really dynamic about Tsinjoarivo and the research we do here is that we always include lots of local people who work with us as guides and help us to succeed using all of their knowledge for the research that we do here.